Howdy guys, Logan and Richard here with RV Parts Country again. We're just wanting to go over a quick little video just to help some of you guys out that's needing to replace a water heater or any kind of accessory for it. So yeah.
Alright, so if you all want to come in just a little bit closer, we're going to take a look at this water heater here on this little camper. So anything like Logan was saying, your door, valves, knobs, anything to do with a water heater at all, we're going to need your model number. And so if you just unhook your door, usually right here on the inside of your water heater, you're going to find a data tag. And that data tag is going to give all the information we'll need. And looks, what was that one there, Logan? Looked like a...
So yeah, looking at the model number, we're looking at a SW6D Suburban water heater.
All right, so that'd be the number we need. With that number, we can find anything you need to buy for that water heater.
That's it, guys. Yep. Hopefully that helps some of you guys out. If you would, like and share the video, and be sure to subscribe to us. And also just look out for any kind of future giveaways or something that we'll be doing on the channel as well. So yep, thank you guys so much.
Thank you all.